In this video, I am going to explain about Python programming. Welcome to our channel EM3 365. Like and subscribe, then press the bell icon and select all. By doing this, our new videos will reach you always. In Python programming, there are two methods. One is interactive mode, another one is script mode. So, Python programming language is the general purpose language, as well as the Python programming language comprises procedural oriented programming and object oriented programming. We can use this Python programming language for both style of programming. And first of all, the Python programming language supports two kinds of programming style. The first one is interactive mode and the second one is script mode. What is the difference between interactive mode and script mode means? Interactive mode will give the result as soon as if we entered, as soon as if we give the instructions. But the script mode can save. In a script mode, we can save the program and run again and again. Whenever we want, we can select that program and we can reuse that program. So, how to invoke the interactive mode? That means interactive mode programming. So, interactive mode programming similar to simple calculator. In a calculator, we type the numbers and operators and equal, then the result will come. Similarly, in interactive mode, we can press the number and plus operator and number and enter, the result will come. There is no any more options for the result in interactive mode. How to invoke the interactive mode Python ideally means we have to follow these simple steps. The first, in a computer, we have to press start and then the start will display some more options. Among these options, we have to select all programs. The all programs display some more options. Among these options, we have to select Python 3.x and then ideally Python 3.x. So, by doing this way, we can invoke the interactive mode ideally. In interactive mode ideally, there are four sections there: menu bar, title bar, Python prompt and then workspace. The Python prompt comes in workspace also, but in the menu bar there is some sort of menus. We can use that menus, and the title bar will display the name of the file, and then Python prompt which is used to type the instruction in a Python. And then simple calculator means here is one example. Here is one example. Means now we type 5 plus 10. After that, if we press the enter, the result will come automatically. That's what interactive mode. And then we can use string also. For that, we can use the predefined function, print function. So, in a print function, we can give the prompt a string. Here, I am giving Python programming language. The Python programming language is the value of or prompt of the print function. If I press enter after typing the print function with the value will be displayed. The value is Python programming language. Similarly, and we can store a value to a variable and another one variable. In another one variable, we can store another one variable, and then we can add these two variables and assign the result to the another one variable, and finally we can use the print function. That's what the next method. You can see there. Here x is one variable. In that variable, they have assigned 10 value, and then y is another one variable. In that y variable, they have assigned it 20, and then in the third prompt in interactive mode, they have added x and y and assigned the result to the z variable. And finally, they have printed using the print statement the sum comma z. Z means the result of x and y addition. The result is the sum equal 30. This is the way of programming in script mode. So whatever all we typed in a script mode, that won't be stored in interactive mode. That is the main difference between interactive mode and the script mode. See the example. And then script mode programming. Script mode programming means this is another way of Python programming method. Here in script mode, we can reuse after saving the code. So once the code or script is created, can be executed again and again without retyping, because we can store, and if it is stored, we can use again and again without retyping. That is the main difference between interactive mode and script mode. How to create a script mode in Python means, so after opening the interactive mode, ideally, in that interactive mode, ideally, there is some menus. The first one is file. We have to select first menu file. That file will display some more options. Among these options, we have to select new file. That means a new script mode ideally will open. Otherwise, we can directly press from the keyboard Control plus N. Control means CTRL key is there and N is there. First CTRL key, then N. Means a script mode window, that means ideally will open. In the script mode, we can type our Python program and we can save. So if we opened a script mode and first time, that will be named as untitled. Untitled means it's a new, ideally haven't stored with a name. That's why this is untitled. And then we can save after typing the programs. So an example, so I am typing a equal to 100, b equal to 350, c equal to a plus b, and print the sum equal to c. Now this is a program. After that, I am storing this program. For that, to store, I would select the first menu file. That file will list out some more options. Among these options, we have to select a save. After that, one saves dialog box will open. In the dialog box, file location might be there. We have to select, and we need to select which location we want to store this file. And then we have to give the file name with the extension .py, Python extension .py, and then save type might be Python files. And finally, we have to select save button. If you select save button, this file will be saved and we can execute this one. How to execute means, first of all, we have to select the run menu from the menu bar. If you select the run menu, that run menu will list some options or three options. First option is Python shell, second is check module, third is run module. We have to select run module. If you select run module, the module is what we have typed in Python as a script mode, that is a module. That program will run and give the results. So again, we can take it out if you want. So this is the method of executing the script mode in a Python programming language. So in a Python programming language, there are two modes there to program. First one is interactive mode, second one is script mode. So the main difference in between script mode and interactive mode is the script mode will give the result as soon as possible. This is like a calculator, but never save the programs in a script mode. But in interactive mode, we cannot store the programs, but it will give the results as soon as possible. That's why this is interactive. But in a script mode, we can save the file. Once if we saved, again and again we can reuse this one. That's what script mode. This is the programming mode in Python. And next class,
Thanks for watching
and
this video in our
output
channel
functions
EM3
in Python
365.
will be taken.
Like and subscribe, press the bell icon and select all. Our new videos will reach you always.